Good morning, dear students. We are doing lesson operating system. Today our topic is types of the operating system. Firstly, single user operating system. The single user operating system was developed originally and it was designed to work for the single user. And the Windows 3.195 is the example of the single user. The second one is the graphic user interface. In the graphic user interface operating system, the user works on the graphs, means user give the instruction to the computer in the form of the graphs. And on the other hand, one more type of the operating system is that is the CUI, character based, or the character user interface. In this type of the operating system, the user give the instruction to the computer in the form of the written text. Next one operating system is the multi-user operating system. In the multi-user operating system, more than one user can work on the operating system and they can work on the networking. Next one is the multitasking operating system. Here multitasking is, that means more than one task can be completed at a same time. And Windows 10 or Windows 8.17 XP are the example of the multitasking operating system. Next one is multi-threading operating system. In the multi-threading operating system, the process is divided into the threads, and at a time more than one threads can be performed by the operating system. Real-time operating system. In the real-time operating system, the function is performed in the real time, means at a time you can book your ticket online and at a same time you will get back the response. Next one, distributed operating system. In the distributed operating system, the operating system is distributed on the different machines via the network and perform the functions in the form of the layers. Commonly used operating system. Our next topic is commonly used operating system. First one is Windows. Windows was introduced in the November 20th November 1985 and it is the graphic user interface. And Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 are the example of the operating system. And Windows 10 was released on the 29th July of the 2015. Next one operating system is Unix. Unix is the powerful operating system which is widely used and having the large number of the features, and it was developed in the 1969 and developed by the AT and the T labs. Unix operating system was developed in the assembly language in the 1973. Next one operating system is the Linux. Linux is the highly performance and free operating system. It is used for the wide range of the computers, and most of the computers on the network use the Linux. Solaris. It is also a family of the Unix operating system and originally designed by the Sun Microsystem in the 1992. Our next concept is mobile operating system. Mobile operating system are the systems which we are using in the mobiles, and one of the most popular mobile operating system is the Android operating system. You can see at the right side green robot is given, and it is the logo of the Android operating system. And Android operating system developed by the Android Incorporation in the October 2003. Later on, in the 2005, Google purchased it. Next one is the Symbian operating system. Symbian operating system was developed by the Symbian Limited Corporation, and it is used in the Nokia mobiles. Next one is the iOS. iOS, its full form is I operating system, and it was developed by the Apple company and released in the 2007. The iOS is having the different versions, and 11.4.1 is the latest version, which was released in the 9th July 2018. Next one is Windows Mobile Operating System. Windows Mobile Operating System is used commonly in the Nokia Lumia 920 Samsung mobiles, and the Windows Mobile Operating System is mainly in the three versions: Windows Mobile Professional, Windows Mobile Standard, and the Windows 10. So dear students, read this. Even though if you face any kind of the problem, you can discuss with me. Thank you.